Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing lashes, and I'm just going to basically let you guys see how I lash. On her today we're doing 11, 13, and 15s, and if you want to know more about the mapping, the details will be in the description below. But yeah, right now I went ahead and started. I didn't have my battery charged, so you guys are like joining after we had started. But you can go ahead and watch, and I'll also do some close-up fans. I'm using Easy Fan Lashes. So yeah, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, subscribe, also hit the like button and and also turn on the notification button so that you are notified every single time I upload a video. And let's get started. Really quick, I wanted to let you guys know how I prepped and primed her lashes, and I used Stacy Lash shampoo to do like a lash bath, and then I went in with the Sterile Normal Saline. I'll link it down below. I buy it on Amazon, and I pretty much use it as a primer or a second cleansing. I don't know, I'm not too sure. I haven't figured out how exactly I want to use it. But if you guys want a video on that, let me know. And I've been using it, and my retention has been really, really good. So that's what I have to say about that. And then I went ahead and primed her lashes using the Lashbox primer. And the glue that I'm using today is Lashbox LA Superhero. And what else? I'm forgetting the most important thing. The lashes that I'm using are 0.05 in the Curl DD, and their sizes 11, 13, and 15. And also, they're my babies. They're my lashes, and it's a brand that I came out with, and it's called Really Pretty Lashes by Vel. I'll link everything down below. You can't buy them yet. I mean, I guess you can buy them right now. You can buy 11, 13, and 15, pretty much the sizes that I used to do this set. And I will be doing a lot more videos on exactly how you can use the mapping of the lashes that I carry right now. But in the future, there will be more sizes to come. But yeah, so just go ahead and keep on watching. And I didn't get a good angle on this video, but I just pretty much wanted to introduce my lashes to you guys and let you see how they turned out and how they look on a client. And I'll let you guys watch. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.